Hello and welcome to my channel, The Roaming Investor. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways to create financial freedom during a recession. A recession can be a tough time for many people, but it's also an opportunity to take control of your finances and create a more stable future. Here are 5 strategies you can use to build financial freedom during a recession. But before we get started, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to support more content from this channel. Now let's get started. Reduce expenses. The first strategy to create financial freedom during a recession is to reduce your expenses. You can do this by cutting back on non-essential spending, negotiating lower bills, and finding ways to save money on everyday expenses. One way to do this is to use budgeting apps like Mint or Pocket Guard that can help you track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Another way is to use cashback apps like Rakuten or Ibotta that give you cashback for shopping at certain stores or purchasing certain products. For example, let's say you spend $150 a month on groceries. By using a cashback app like Ibotta, you can earn up to 10% cashback on your grocery purchases. This means you could potentially save $15 a month, or $180 a year, just by using this app. I'll make sure to leave you links in the description so you can check them out after watching. Increase income. Another way to create financial freedom during a recession is to increase your income. You can do this by starting a side hustle, freelancing, or taking on a part-time job. There are many online platforms like Upwork, TaskRabbit, and Fiverr that can connect you with potential clients or gigs. You can also use apps like Uber or Lyft to earn money driving people around. For example, let's say you start freelancing as a graphic designer and charge $50 an hour. If you work 10 hours a week, you could potentially earn an extra $2,000 a month, or $24,000 a year. Invest. Investing is another way to create financial freedom during a recession. I know what you're thinking. How can I put money in the market if the market is crashing? While investing always carries some risk, there are many tools and resources available to help you make informed decisions. You can start by using a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront that can help you build a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. You can also use apps like Robinhood or Stash that allow you to invest in individual stocks or ETFs. For example, let's say you invest $5,000 in a diversified portfolio through a robo-advisor like Betterment. If you earn an average annual return of 8%, your investment could potentially grow to over $12,000 in 10 years. Now, it is important to note that I am not a finance coach or possess a degree in finance. My purpose on this channel is to provide as much information as possible to help you embark on a prosperous journey and open a few doors of opportunity. So, always make sure you do your homework and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Pay off debt. Paying off debt is another important step in creating financial freedom during a recession. High levels of debt can make it difficult to save money, invest, or pursue other financial goals. You can start by prioritizing high-interest debt like credit cards or personal loans, and using a debt repayment app like Debt Payoff Planner or Tally that can help you create a payoff plan and track your progress. Keep in mind that everyone has their own situation, but let's say you have $10,000 in credit card debt with an interest rate of 18%. If you make minimum payments, it could take you over 12 years to pay off the debt and cost you over $14,000 in interest. But if you use a debt repayment app to create a payoff plan and make extra payments each month, you could potentially pay off the debt in 4 years and save over $8,000 in interest. Create passive income. Passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. This can come from things like rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or online courses or ebooks that you create and sell. There are many apps and platforms like Airbnb, Dividend.com, and Teachable that can help you generate passive income. For example, let's say you own a rental property that generates $1,500 a month in rental income. After paying expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs, you may still have a profit of $500 a month, or $6,000 a year. This passive income can help you build wealth and create financial freedom over time. I suggest you do research on what is allowed in your area before doing this, as some HOAS or party walls don't allow short-term rentals. There are many ways to create financial freedom during a recession, including reducing expenses, increasing income, investing, paying off debt, and creating passive income. By implementing these strategies and using apps and resources that can help you achieve your financial goals, you can take control of your finances and build a more stable future for yourself and your family. Let me know in the comments what other ways or side hustle you found useful during bearish markets. Thanks for watching.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest videos. By doing so, you'll be helping to support the channel and keep us motivated to create more great content for you to enjoy.